Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to uninstall OBS Studio in Windows 11. If you want to know how, watch this video until the end and don't skip it, so you understand how. The first step, click the search column here, then type Control Panel. After finding it, you can immediately open the Control Panel to uninstall the OBS application from Windows 11. Pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. Okay guys, that's how to uninstall the OBS application on Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button, so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.